Hello, my third grade friends, and today we are doing the math review. This is the answer portion for week 6, day 4. So, we have 4 different math problems here. Hopefully, you've only taken 10 minutes to try, and now you are either learning about the answers or you are checking your answers. So, Penny has to go to bed at what time? So remember, I'm going to start with the shorthand first. So it looks like the shorthand, if I draw out my line, it's past the 8, but not to the 9. So it is at 8. I have my colon. And now I've got to read the minutes hand. So it's closer to the 4, not to the 5. So I'm going to say that she has a bedtime of 8:21, or if you also have 8:22, that is also acceptable. I don't know if my clock is exactly to scale. So 8:21 or 8:22 are the answers. Now for measuring, we are measuring how long this paintbrush is, and I believe this was in centimeters if I can recall. But, so the paintbrush starts aligned right here, so it starts at the 0, and then we're going to go all the way to the tip, and we're going to round to the nearest number, our nearest whole number. So it looks like it is we've got 8 centimeters, so we're not going to this far, we're not lining up here, tip to tip. So 8 centimeters or inches. I can't recall if it's centimeters or inches in the problem. So make sure you have the right one right down there. And this one is asking, what is this divided into? And this is divided into halves. That should be easy. 1 part, 2 part. So 2 equal parts would be halves. Now, for this one, we have to round to the nearest 10, so that's the important thing, and then we're going to add. So when we're looking at rounding to the nearest 10, we have to look at the ones column. So 5 and above, give it a shove. 4 and below, leave it alone. So 3, this 3, which is the thing that's going to tell us which direction to round, is below 5, so it's going to round down to 110. And then 76, so it's again, we're rounding to 10, so the 6 right here is the number that's going to be telling us which direction to round. 5 and above, give it a shove. 4 and below, leave it alone. So 6 is more than 5, so I'm going to round up to 80. Then I'm going to add, so 110 plus 80, 8 plus 1, or 80 plus 10 is 90, and then bring that other 100 down, so it is about 190. Please make sure you have evidence on your paper and that you are showing your work, and then get that turned in. Okay. Hopefully you learned a little something here, and you need to make sure you have the correct answers on your paper and get that submitted. Okay, till next time.